Coming up behind us is a Baht bus, but how to catch a Baht bus? Well, quite simply, get to the main road. Do watch out for the traffic. Now, in Pattaya, the two main roads, one is Beach Road and the other one is Second Road. We're just walking down to Second Road here. It's one way, so look to your left on the Second Road, because that's where the cars will come from. Just walk slowly across the road. They don't drive exceptionally fast. Occasionally they do. I'm just going past Kiss Restaurant, which we've been to already in this episode of Pattaya. There we go, crossing the road slowly, and you should really use a pedestrian crossing, but just do it slowly and you should be okay. Just waiting for the right moment in time, looking left to looking right. Then once I cross over the road, I can just wave down a Baht bus. A Baht bus basically is just a small pickup truck where you can sit on the back, and you pay 10 Baht for any length of the journey. And now just waiting very patiently to do this. Just walking a bit further down, and I think I can see one coming. Is it me or just my imagination? And I may go there. There's the bus. There you can see. Don't talk to the driver, just hop on and sit down. That's all you got to do, and then you'll be on your merry way. When you want to get off, you can press one of the buzzers, and then the Baht bus will stop. Then you go to the driver and give him 10 Baht or 20 Baht. He'll give you change. Don't give him 100 or 500 or 1,000. He's not going to have change, and it's just going to be inconvenient. He's going to be mad at you. So basically, when you get on this, make sure you have the small amounts of change with you. 10, 20, 50 Baht is acceptable. Now let's cross over the road and let's go shopping. So shopping is done, but I want to show you here, right in front of you are the body-to-body massages, where a lady or a lady boy for a certain amount of money will give you a body-to-body massage. Yes, it is naked, and I really don't know about it, but I just really wanted to show you. There are quite a few of these places around. I think the starting price is around about 3,000 Baht. Don't quote me on that. Never been inside. Not really. That's not really my cup of tea. But they do obviously make money. Otherwise, they wouldn't be there. What I have to do now is cross over the road, and I'm just going to walk down this soy or this alleyway, because one way I have to walk maybe about 500 meters to get to Beach Road before I can take a Baht bus back to my destination. This, believe it or not, is actually one of my favorite hotels. Stayed here many times, and you get a view of the sea, and at night time you get a view of all the night lights in Pattaya, and it's a really good breakfast. 7-Eleven is close by. Just, yeah, one of my favorites. I actually forgot to give you the name. It's called the Sandalay Hotel, and it's on the close to the north end of Pattaya, and all the rooms, yeah, really nice. Look over the sea, and I've always had a great time there. But this time, just wanted to try something a little bit different for you. Right, time to get on the Baht bus again and heading down to central Pattaya, and this time we're going to go to do a little bit of shopping in Mikey's. So here we are, arrived at Mike Shopping Mall, and here you can find lots of copy imitation goods. I'm sure Adidas, Nike, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Gucci are so happy about this shopping mall. I am going to buy some vests, so I'm going to take off the monologue here and you can listen to the live feed from the camera. Let's see what happens.
What you want?
Hello.
Please. Something, sir? That t-shirt should buy. Hello, we ordered something for you.
Hello. You have 3X?
I have, sir. Which one?
How much is this one?
This one, 250 baht, sir.
I can get this for 130, so how much is this one?
Last price 200 baht, sir, this one.
I can get this for 130, how much?
200 baht last, sir.
Do it for 150?
I cannot, sir. Last price 200 baht.
180.
Really good price, 200 baht.
But if I go up there, I can get it cheaper.
I know, but in here, cannot, sir.
So what's your final price?
I have to pay.
Yeah, I'm going to buy 3.
I know, this like 200
You
baht,
don't
sir.
know because I haven't told you, so how many? Come on.
That's the best price, sir.
Monday price.
Good price, sir. 200
Sorry?
baht, 200 baht, last price.
Because I know how much. You told me how much you're going to sell it for 200, yeah?
Yeah.
I know your percentage is like 2.5%, yeah?
No.
Yes,
Not
it is
about-
2.
not about- I have to pay rent
2.5.
here.
Yeah,
Expensive.
that's including the rent, my friend, yeah? So I know how much you should sell it for. So give me the best price.
This is the best price, of 200 baht.
Okay, you lost it. Hello.
Yeah, okay.
How much your vest?
Yeah, okay. Sorry, what size you wear, sir?
3X.
Okay. He did for you.
How much? มีเท่าไหร่ครับ
I sell
What?
1 3XL นะ
I buy 3.
A discount for you, give you for 1 this price, okay? Because 3XL.
Okay. 3. I buy 4. Okay.
How many นี่
3.
อ๋อมัน cannot because มัน TXL I give you
Okay.
นี่โอเคthis price for one ได้ไหม for four how many you need
How much
for?
is this? How much is this shirt?
I don't know
Just have a guess.
give you this price แล้วกันเอา for
How much
free.
is this shirt? And I will tell you good price. This one 130.
มัน not the same อยู่จ๋า you cut quality first but not the same
This original. This is not original. This is copy, yeah? So give me good price.
เนี่ย I give you for three
3,700.
yeah
Do
okay
650, you have deal.
50อยู่ก็ยังจะบัตเก็ตอยู่โอเคมาบัตรนี้ตั้งก่อนนะอะไรเสื้อกล้ามมันเข้าต่อโอเคเอามาไอเซลโอเคเปิดตู้ให้ดีหน่อยถามอีกต่อไปเลย650กี่ตัว3ตัวเดี๋ยวของยี่เหรอเอาเปิดเอาของพี่3 x ค่ะฝั่งนี้ใช่ไหมใช่ค่ะใช่ได้เหรอเขาไม่รู้อะได้ไม่ได้ก็ขายแล้วบัตรเลยอยู่วัน
Any colour doesn't matter. Only for home.
โอ้ยก็ใส่แค่2 x แค่นั้นแหละ for you or for gift
Me. Me.
too big นะ
Sorry? This one X, 3X.
มัน not the same t-shirt กับ singlet
It's okay because wash gets smaller, yeah?
this one but not smaller นะ when you wash อ่ะ good one อ่ะเนี่ยเดี๋ยวไอเช็ดไอเทfor you ใช่ค่ะ
Okay.
แล้วถามอีกบอกว่าจะใส่แบบรูดๆอ่ะ
It's only for home. No
Oh,
go,
okay.
no go out.
โอเควันแรกเนาะไม่เทคโฟไปเลยเลยยูจ๋าแค่วันมอไว้ค่ะเลย เนี่ย3 1 2 3 and follow one
Original?
Red one ฮะ
Original?
no copy okay
All the same?
yeah same size ค่ะ
Okay.
but different brand เฉย
Is it 500, yeah?
ๆจะมาโจ๊กกินได้ยังไง
I'm businessman. I always make money.
ไอ้นี่ไอ้คลิปยูพูดพายแล้ว
Okay.
กินแลนด์เอาไว้แฮปพาว what size
Small. Not for me.
ทีนี้ทอน50 บาทติ๊ก50 บาท
Thank you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย
So there we have it, a little Monday adventure here in Pattaya, showing you how to use the Baht bus, bit of shopping in 2 shopping centres, and tonight I think I'm going to a restaurant called Robin Hood, which I go to most times when I'm here. Just really nice British food, and I hope you enjoy it. Well, come along for that kind of trip. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that malarkey. And for those people who are incessantly rich, incredibly rich, hey, just drop $100, $200, $300 into my Patreon account, or join my membership program here on WeChat. What am I talking about? Not WeChat, YouTube, or you can just use super thanks as well. All right, bye for now. Thank you very much. Cheerio, ta-ta, arrivederci, sayonara.